While trend following is powerful, the most advanced approach is swing trading. While the market sometimes gives good trends to follow, sometimes it does not. We take what the market gives us. As trend followers, we look to hold trends for big moves, 200% plus. As swing traders, we can compound smaller moves for the same or better results with even less risk. For example, the market may give us more 40% moves than 200% moves. But compounding four 40% moves would give us a return of 384%, much bigger than the 200% move. The market may also give us more 20% moves. 8 20% moves compounded would give us a return of 430%. Let's look at a trade we do with Arrow as an example. Fast-moving altcoins may respect a shorter-term moving average like the 20-day exponential moving average. After a great entry using our triple confirmation criteria of trend, pair strength, and price action, we held the trend above the 20-day EMA until it had two closes below, locking in a gain of 1,200%. On the second attempt, we re-entered using triple confirmation criteria, and this time the market gave us a 65% return. But 65% compounded on 1,200% is another 780% return, bringing the total to 1,980%. As the trend set up a third time, it gave us only a 24% return. But 24% on top of 1,980% is an additional 475% compounded return, bringing the total return on the Arrow trades to 2,455% return. $10,000 would have grown to over $255,000. The market after the third exit showed a massive decline, with Arrow down 86% from the high point. Profits were locked months before this with trend following sell rules. Another example of swing trading and trend rotation would be the virtual trade. Swing trading criteria adds price setup to trend and pair strength for more precise entries and risk management. Using PrecisionCryptoTrading.com's screener and a PCT rating, faster moving opportunities can be discovered. The virtual trade produced a 435% return in a few months with minimal risk. We invite you to level up your skills. As a precision trend follower, capture big moves and trend rotation. Or a precision swing trader, limiting risk and maximizing compounding. Or explore a combination of both. We have training courses, tools, coaching, and a team that can help with both. We invite you to learn more.